What's good, what's poppin', what's happening, how y'all doing? I am back today with another video. Of course, you read the title already. In today's video, I am showing you how I make my sizing kits. So this customer ordered like 3 different lengths and shapes because these nails, they normally do not run in the same like size. So I do highly recommend that if you're interested in getting like 2 different shapes and 2 different lengths, that you do purchase 2 different sizing kits. Also, my sizing kits are like $5 off. So like if you purchase, like she purchased 3, so they're $5. So being that she purchased 3, on her next order she'll get $15 off. Okay, so keep that in mind whenever you decide to purchase from me. Anywho, everything that I'm using in this video will be in the description below. I'll try to find some links for y'all or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now so that y'all can continue to watch this video. So that is basically how I make my sizing kits. Like I said, everything that I use in this video will be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!